We've seen an echo of these concerns even in economies like China, where the flow of goods now is starting to be interrupted because of the number of infections with freight workers and port workers. How much of that is happening here?
Well, it is starting to come here. Flexport is a data platform for global trade. So we enable shipping. We make it easier for companies to ship. We shipped about 200,000 containers in the last year. So we've got quite a bit of visibility and connection into all the ports and ocean carriers, truckers, et cetera. What we're seeing, first of all, is just more shipping than ever. Imports are up 30%, and it's very hard. There's just not enough space in all the ships. So the first disruption is just all the demand and unable to satisfy it. In fact, 37% of containers are getting rolled right now. Getting rolled is like when you fly in an airplane, you get bumped and you get pushed to the next flight. 37% is extraordinary. Usually it's 8% is the industry average. So really record high. That's not necessarily due to the pandemic, other than just more demand than the supply can satisfy. That was the situation coming into this week. Record high prices. About $9,000 to ship a container in the spot market from China to Europe. Usually that price is much lower, more like $3,000. So just a huge increase in price. Not good for the brands out there that are struggling to get merchandise into the hands of their customers. That was the situation, again, coming into this week. What's now happened 2 days ago, one of our ocean carrier partners let us know that, well, first of all, the ILWU, this is the Longshoremen Union that runs the ports on the West Coast, they reported 700 of their employees have caught COVID in the port. And so we're going to see it's going to really create even more backlogs.
So you're walking with obviously tight capacity. We've got the pandemic. I know you've even looked at weather conditions aren't especially ideal this time of year. Is the industry gaming out improvement from here or some further degradation, at least in the coming months?
Well, so I think it depends where you sit. It's either really good or really bad. If you're an asset owner right now, it's booming. Your ships are full, your trucks are full. Not everything is great. Your employees are working harder than ever. They're being very brave, putting their lives at risk, facing this pandemic. But business is very good. Customers might be a little frustrated with you. If you're buying freight, prices are high. You can't even get space. It's months right now if you book a container before you can even get it on a ship. And when it does, you got a 37% chance of it getting rolled. So, it depends where you sit in the stack, whether it's good or bad.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.